Navier-Stokes equation represents the conservation of which quantity? Navier-Stokes equation in fluid mechanics is a partial differential equation that describes the flow of incompressible fluids. The answer to this question is the quantity that the Navier-Stokes equation represents is the momentum. What is viscosity? What is Newton's law of viscosity? Viscosity is the physical property that characterizes the flow resistance of simple fluids. Newton's law of viscosity defines the relationship between the shear stress and shear rate of a fluid subjected to a mechanical stress. The answer to this question would be: viscosity is the property of the fluid which measures the resistance of the fluid to the gradual deformation due to the shear stress. And Newton's law of viscosity states that the shear stress on the fluid is proportional to the velocity gradient. What is meant by no-slip condition in fluids? The no-slip boundary condition or no-velocity offset boundary condition assumes that the speed of the fluid layer in direct contact with the boundary is identical to the velocity of this boundary. There is no relative movement between the boundary and this particular fluid layer. Therefore, there will be no slip occurrence. The answer to this question would be: no slip conditions occurs at the microscopic level, where the fluid is flowing on a solid surface and the velocity of the fluid is zero at the contact surface.